How does this model actually work? Is one of the most revealing interview questions. Many candidates panic and either dive into equations or give an answer that's too vague to be useful. In this video, I'll show you how to explain how a model works in a way that sounds clear, credible, and appropriate for the person interviewing you, whether they're technical or not. This question is rarely about mathematics. Interviewers are testing whether you understand the model conceptually, can explain complex ideas, clearly know the assumptions and limitations, actually understand your own work. If you can explain how a model works in simple terms, interviewers assume you understand it deeply. A strong answer follows this simple structure. Step 1. Concepts start with the big idea. Explain what type of problem the model solves and what kind of patterns it looks for. For example, this is a supervised learning model designed to predict an outcome based on historical patterns in the data. Step 2. Process next. Explain how the model learns, without equations. You might say, the model looks at relationships between input features and the target variable and adjusts its internal parameters to minimize prediction error. Keep this intuitive, not technical. Step 3. Output finally. Explain what the model outputs and how those outputs are used in practice. This helps interviewers connect the model to real-world decisions. Here's how a strong answer might sound. This model is designed to predict whether a customer is likely to churn. It learns patterns from historical customer behavior, such as usage frequency and support interactions. During training, the model identifies which factors are most predictive and adjusts itself to reduce errors on past data. Once trained, it outputs a probability score that helps the business prioritize which customers to target for retention efforts. Notice how this explanation is clear, structured, and practical, without unnecessary technical detail. Avoid these mistakes. Jumping straight into formulas or code using jargon without explanation, explaining the model without linking it to real-world use, giving different levels of detail than the interviewer expects. A simple explanation that shows understanding is far more effective than a complex one. If you want more interview tips like this, subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos in this series. Thanks for watching.